What's up, guys? How are you? All right. What is going on? Good evening. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, I'm sick, guys. But you know, my bad. It's all right. We still gonna do this. What's up? What's up? What's up? But yes, I am. All right. What's up, guys? Can you guys hear me now? Let's see. What's up? Okay. Taurus, can you guys hear me now? What's up, Ramona Jr., Serwa, Queen D, Isaac, Lisa, Linda, Shelbel, Charmaine, Queen, Ernest, Lady T. What's up? What's up? How are you guys? Eric, what's up, man? What's up? Lady T, what's up? What's up? How are you guys? Sorry. What's up? What's up, Ingrid? How are you? Okay. All right, guys. So I am a little sick, so I don't want to make this too long, okay? I don't want to make this too long, but I do want to help you guys. All right? So let's get into it, okay? So, all right. So if you guys looked at my analysis, let me see here. We have ADUSD, right? If you guys remember my analysis from just a couple days ago. All right, let me go to the 1 hour. Go to my analysis. On Monday and Tuesday, I believe, I did classes because yesterday I was sick. And if you remember what I told you, I said once this level's broken, ADUSD is bearish, which again, they used that FOMC to strike that level, induce people to sell, or to buy, I'm sorry. Took out all the buyers and created momentum to the downside. So now we have a lot of bearish momentum going to the downside overall, I think, for AUDUSD. Right? You can really see it pretty cleanly. Still, in my opinion, very bearish. Okay? So that was really good. Then we had AJ. If you guys remember, look at my AJ markup. Super freaking clean. I told you guys. Again, same thing. I drew this. I left this from like 2 days ago. Remember I made this M top? I'm like, listen, this is probably AJ. And then what I tell you, so once it breaks this neckline, we can start to sell it. Correct? Okay. Just letting you guys know. Then we had gold. You guys told me gold, right? I was like, Ryan, do gold. I was like, I don't want to do gold. And then all you guys are telling me to do gold. And I'm like, okay, I guess I'll do gold. And I look at gold. And then let's go to the 1 hour. And then look at the freaking accuracy on gold. Let's go to the 2 hour here. Look at the accuracy on gold. It's the accuracy for me. Did I not tell you it's going to pull back to one of these levels? Boom. One level or the second level here. And then drop. Which is exactly what it's been doing. Pulled up to this area. Hit it to the T. Hit it to the wick. And then drop. Did it not? Didn't I tell you guys you want to sell gold this week? Not buy it? Did I not tell you guys that? Wait. You guys are saying the chart is frozen? Hold on. You guys should be able to see it. Chart is frozen. You're not seeing my markups. Hold on. What's going on here? You guys don't see the gold? Let me see. Let me see. What do you guys see? Okay, you're seeing gold now? Okay, hold on. It froze on your end? Okay, maybe it did. Give me a second. Okay. So let's try this again. So gold, this was gold, guys, right? Remember I told you look for bearish sells on gold this week. I told you look for the pullback, which it happened, sell it. Nice, right? And then let's go to the 1 hour. You kind of see exactly how this played out a little bit to the more T. Okay? Spiked it up here, FOMC, then reversed. Okay, even if you sold gold today, you know, or yesterday for London, really good sell. Now it's kind of hitting a bigger time frame support zone. Okay? And I'll go back to AU since I know some of you guys maybe didn't see it. Okay, so here's AU, right? And remember, I showed you guys on the 4 hour. Remember, I drew this channel here, remember? And I told you guys about this level here. Once it breaks this level, what is going to happen? Bearish momentum, which we have, right? Then let's look at the dollar. Okay, let's look at the beautiful dollar, which I marked up to the freaking T. My goodness gracious, it looks so sexy. Okay, so again, look how I marked this up from all the way from Monday. Okay, then I have my 4 hour, right? And I told you guys, I marked up this with you. I said, guys, look, if it holds this level, more bearish momentum. And then if it holds this level, more bearish momentum. And look how it executed these levels here. Very clean. So fresh and so clean. Okay? You did see AU, Janine. I gave you guys AU as well too. I gave you guys AU. And I gave you guys AJ. Look at AJ. Go to Monday. We drew this formation. I showed you guys. I said once structure is broken here, we are going to sell AJ. Okay. Then I also had NAS. Look at the NAS setup. What I tell you guys with NAS this week, I said look for the sell. It's going to pop up and then drop. And then look at NAS. To the T again. Once it breaks this level, it's dropping hard. I also had this markup for you guys. Just another way to look at it. Okay, that's on the 4 hour. This is on the 1 hour. Okay, then I have another markup when that's here. Okay. But if you were on the live trading session with me, live, okay, with my students in TTA Elite, which again, you can join, the description's in the below. Okay. If you're in TTA Elite, your subscription will never go up. It's $199 a month. I think that's very affordable for someone who is serious about trading. And that's all we want. I don't need 1,000 people, you know, who aren't serious about trading. All I want is 100, 200 students, 300 students that are serious, that are committed to trading every week. That's it. I don't think $199 is a stretch for someone who's committed to trade every week. right? So so again, right? If you were in TTA Elite, we caught this sell today. I don't know. Was anyone here today? Who's in my TTA Elite? If anyone's here, right? Did we not sell this and caught the NAS sell? We sold it right there. Boom. Hit our TP. Boom. Or took partials. Did we not hit that trade, y'all? Yes or no? Please let everyone know. Because some people don't believe it. You know? Some people think maybe I'm capping. Okay? Maybe they think I'm capping today, and trust and believe, your boy is not capping.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap.
Okay? That is not something we do. Shakira said I made 500 today. Let's go, Shakira. Let me ask you one question, Shakira. So is the $199 a month worth it? Shakira, she made 500 in one day. All right. Sounds like a steal to me. Okay. Okay, I'm just saying. All right. So here we go, guys, right? If you want to actually trade live, if you want to understand how to see the markets in real time, you need someone to show you in real time. Okay? Everyone can show you a strategy. Everyone can show you, the best kept secret under the sun. But can you show me live consistently every week? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Right? And I know TTA is one of the best places to do that. All right. Now, again, we predict this ahead of time. And I showed you guys ahead of time too as well, before it even happened. All right. So it's not that I'm omnipotent of any sort, or I'm some, fortune teller or anything like that. It's just that I've been doing it long enough that the patterns are crystal clear to me. Okay? And once you understand the patterns and you study the patterns, there's high probability to the things that you see. I'm not always right. I lose too, just like you. Just like I bleed, just like you. I get sick, just like you. You hear me sniffling in my nose, okay? But just like anything in life, it's something that you have to practice. The more that you practice, the better you will get. Okay? We even had NJ here. I had NJ potentially going up, but then it didn't break this level and broke it. And this level was broken, and then it dropped. Let me see what else. I don't know what else Oh yeah, someone said UCAD, and I was like, oh yeah, UCAD for the buy. If you guys remember, you guys gave me UCAD, and I was like, I think it's gonna go bullish. And if you remember, it actually did exactly what I thought it would do, which was pull back down to here, and then pop up. Okay, so that was UCAD. What other? I don't know what other pairs I gave you. I think I gave you GA too, but my GA is just consolidating. So this was the only other pair that kind of, I don't want to say didn't work perfectly, but, I did expect this pullback back to the zone down here. So, GA is just very choppy after it broke this wedge pattern here slightly, which you can see right here, this zone here, right? Pretty clear zone. So, as you can see, all my analysis ahead of time were pretty correct. All right? We're pretty correct. So, with that being said, let's kind of go over what we can expect for the rest of the week. Well, into London and New York tomorrow. Hopefully, you guys can make some money. All right? Let me see. Aaron said I caught on the buy on the way back up. Great job, bro. What's up, Wah? What's up? Shakira said I think it's too cheap. Me too, Shakir. Which is why the price will be going up in about, in December. So not for you guys though. Okay, this is a disclaimer. If you're in TTA, if you're in TTA Elite, your price will never go up. So $199 a month, which is $200 a month, it will never go up for you Everyone who's got in, will that price will always be locked in for you. But all the new people that come in like, December 15th, January 3rd, February 15th, their price will not be the same price. You know that who said the saying? I think it was like Fat Joe. He's like, today's price ain't yesterday's price. I don't know who said it. I don't know who said it, but yesterday's price is not today's price. I'm letting y'all know. Okay, so I think that we have a whole tremendous amount of value, and I want all the people who are loyal with us, who rocking with us. I want to make sure that you guys get the best price, and I don't want you guys to pay what someone would come in 2, 3, 4 months to pay. Honestly, I want to make sure, because TT, it might go up to $400 a month. I don't know, for whatever. But I'm just saying, I want you guys to have the cheapest price, and I know that you guys are getting value. Okay, seriously, I know you guys are getting value. Peter said, "Is there a training module covering market manipulation?" I have not gone over that. I'm going to have to do a special masterclass for everyone on that, Peter, for everyone who's in TT Elite. I do have some free stuff, but I do not have a particular masterclass. Now, in my TT Premium, I did have, especially I think the September class, I did go over market manipulation. I went through a whole webinar / presentation, and that's in their training. But I still will do some more training on that. What's up, Claiborne? Glad to see that you guys are doing good. Okay, so with that being said, let's look at the charts. Okay, and let's see what we can anticipate for the rest of the week, guys. Okay, so all right. So number one, AJ. I am still overall bearish on AJ. Okay, I do like AJ for the sell overall. I think we are bearish on it. I'm over here looking at it like, is it even possible to sell it now? I'm not sure. I'm trying to see here, because we kind of are not in the middle of Asian session, but let me see. Checking my charts. Okay. What I will say, let's look at AJ. So here's a smaller intermediate level, which I'm going to make a different kind of color so you guys can see. All right. But for me, so let's go to the 15-minute on AJ. All right. As AJ holds this new level here, which I think he'll probably hold, I think it's going to come down to this zone here. Right? So as it breaks these previous lows here, as it breaks this level here, whether that happens in Asian, London, or New York, I think AJ could be a really good possible sell setup. All right. And it would look like something like this. You'd put your stop loss at least a good 30 pips, 35 pips. TP would be anywhere from 30 to 50 pips. It would look something like this. Again, I'm not saying that you get in right now. Wait for more momentum to kick in with AJ. I'm just saying that it's looking good. That's what I'm telling you. Okay? I'm not in it or anything. I'm just saying I do like AJ. So if you are going to be up for the next couple hours, maybe a possible sell setup for you. Now, again, I'm not going to trade Asian. I'm sick. I got to wake my ass up for London or New York in the morning, okay? And that's about it. All right. Okay, so that's a possible setup, guys. AU, overall, bearish. Overall, still bearish, guys. On the 4-hour, hold on, let me delete this thing here. Okay. Overall, bearish, I believe. Holding really key levels here. I like it. I like it. All right, I want to see how, if it breaks this consolidation, this, okay? That smaller level there. I want to see if that happens. If that happens, I think we'll have continued bearish momentum on AU. Now, I don't think it may not even drop all the way down here. It might even go to this level down here. Okay. Which is still a good 40, 50 pips. Okay. So I'm overall bearish on AU still. Okay. Let's look at NAS. Again, we caught NAS today for 50, 60 points. Easy. Boom. Done. Okay. Rinse and repeat. Now, let me go to the 1 hour. And let me delete this. Okay. Now, again, I think that NAS is still overall bearish. I think it's still overall bearish. Okay. We have a lot of momentum to the downside. So, I'm thinking London or New York is probably going to pull up to a intermediate level. Some probably like here. Okay. And I'm thinking it's going to be like boom. And then continuation here. Okay, this is on the 1 hour on NAS. This is on the 2 hour. I'm thinking it's going to pull up, drop. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, now again, just like I'm saying, just like I said Monday, Tuesday, I would not really want to trade NAS until the New York session. So I would definitely not trade it now or in London. I would really wait, preferably early New York session, and see what NAS is doing. But I'm overall bearish on it. Okay. Then let's go to NJ. NJ I'm also very bearish on. Right? Similar to AJ, it broke structure on the 4 hour. I think it has a little bit more wiggle room for anyone who likes to trade AJ or NJ. A little bit more wiggle room to the downside. Okay. Just depending on how you like to trade it. But I think it's still overall bearish. So I'm just giving you guys my sentiments for these pairs. Right? Not exactly like physical trades, but more so what I'm looking at, what I see. NU. Again, I have it. So NU made this huge, nice head and shoulders popped up. And what we knew is that it was overall bearish. So I actually wanted it to pop up and then drop. But as you see right here, it kind of popped up a little bit and then dropped. So my zone was a little off, right? So I put my zone here, but really my zone should have probably been here. And you see how that would have actually been better. So I was a little off with NU a little bit. I thought it would go a little higher to like this level and went up. It basically wicked this level right here. Okay. And then reversed. So my thing now, all right. Again, we were overall bearish on NU because what, guys? Look at the channel. Look at the overall momentum of the pair down. Okay. Now, and again, if you want to go look at the replay, you guys have the replays on the YouTube channel. Make sure that you like and subscribe this freaking video. Okay. That's all I ask. Just like and subscribe, please, young sir. All right. And if you really want to take your learning to the next level, TTA Elite, we're here for you. You know. And so yeah, guys. All right. So we have this level here. Right. And I'm overall bearish. So the next level that I would look for NU to break is this level down here. Right, this kind of neckline almost of the previous head and shoulders. Once that gets broken, which I'm going to put an alert for, because once that's broken, NU is definitely dropping. So if you give this thing a good 40, 50 pips, a good 40 pips to drop, we're going to have at least, at that point, a nice 100, 150 pip drop after that. Okay, and then you can definitely anticipate bearish momentum start to sell it. Okay, so with NU, I'm overall bearish right? But I'm really bearish more so once this zone right here is broken. So once this one is broken, again, the previous neckline of the head and shoulders on the when you scroll to the left of it, right? Then we know this thing's gonna get super bearish. Okay? And I think that's really all the pairs I went over. And then I went over gold. Gold, I'm still overall bearish, but you see here how it's at a very big support level, okay, on the 4 hour. So for me, I'm thinking gold is going to pop up again and then continue to drop again. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm thinking with gold. All right, gonna pop up and then drop. How hard it's gonna pop up, I'm not sure, but you know, it may even pop up to here, to this zone here, and then continue. So this is probably more doable. This is what I'm thinking with gold, guys. Again, so I would wait till maybe London, New York. If gold hits this level, starts looking really bearish, start to sell it. Okay? Wait for the pullback though. Wait for the pullback because it is hitting a big resistance level, so you need this thing to retrace really hard before you get in. Okay? And that's it, guys. Let me see if there's any other pairs you want me to look at. Let me check this out. What's up, Claiborne? What's up, bro? What's up, Dang? What's up, Jason? What's up, Dope? What other pairs do you need me to look at for you guys? Roy, what's up, my guy, Roy? CHF, JPY. What's up, love to serve? What's up? Okay, Chef JPY. Let me look at that really quick for you, man. Chef JPY. I do not look at this thing. What the heck? The daily. Chef JPY, huh? It's definitely a little different. Chef JPY. On the daily, we have this right here. Let me see. We have zones at the top here. There's a smaller zone at the bottom here. It's at a tricky area. It's at a tricky area. I don't like it. I mean, could you buy it? For sure. The trend is overall up. It is overall up, right? I would say. But yeah, I really don't have a bias on Chef right now. Because there's a couple of reasons. Chef JPY, number one, is a pair I don't really trade. Then number two, the price action on Chef JPY is a little choppy because of it being JPY and Chef. That's just, I don't trade Chef pairs. I think it's trash. Number three, we're kind of in a bullish uptrend and it's consolidating, hitting this wedge pattern right now. And I think we need to just let it kind of marinate and simmer before we can have a better analysis. So what I mean by that is like, hey, if it really went like boom, 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 then start looking bearish, okay, cool. Then this would be a possible entry. Start selling it, cool, right? That's a possible thing, right? Then there's bullish momentum. If it starts to break this zone, then bounce out this area, then cool. This is a potential entry here, right? So this is more so what I'm looking for, right? I don't like to trade in the middle of this stuff. I like to trade when there's momentum, when I can clearly see that, okay, we have liftoff and we're ready to go. All right, I'll just let it consolidate until it's ready, and then once it's ready, that's when we get in. Okay. Let me see here. Hold on, guys. All right. Let me see here. What the heck? All right. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me see here. Okay. All right. All right. So you guys can hear me. Let me see what else you guys wanted to see really quick. Am I only one screen? It went blank. Mel, can you guys see it now? Sorry. What was the double top was thinking? It's possible, Roy, that it could be a reversal. Very possible. It's possible, but like I'm saying, I need more confirmation on it, man. That's all. Okay. Well, proud of you. She said, you know, you're learning when the charts match up. There you go. Right. That's the whole. Okay, Kimar, I see your message, bro. Got you. Juanisha, you know you're learning when the charts match up. Yeah, that's the whole point, is just to give you guys a full-blown analysis so you can kind of predict it better, and, you can kind of see if it's correct, right? That's why I kind of like to give you the markups Monday, Tuesday, and you'll see as the markets play about Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, how it goes. And you can see that for the most part, most of my markups are pretty accurate overall, right? You can see that, before time. I'll give you the whole markup before time too. So, all right. Let's see here. All right, what else? Any other pairs? Let me see. GU, Isaac? Okay, bro. We can look at GU. Oh, yeah, GU. Oh, GU was clean. If you guys remember, this is GU. Look, I marked out GU for you guys, right? If you guys remember GU. And what I told you guys, I said this level right here, this level right here, this level right here. Once that is broken, we're good. And then look at it. Right? Hit this level, boom. Hit the next level, boom. Gave us no retracement, so there was no 4-point. Right? It did not even retest the zone, right? Which I would like to see, but instead went boom, like this. Right? This is what it did. So instead of a retracement here, it just completely shattered and continued into the next zone. Right? And that's what happens when you have a lot of liquidity, a lot of volume. It just starts to break zones. All right? It's literally like a wrecking ball. Just smash, smash, smash. Okay? But I called it out for you guys. All right? So hopefully it at least helped. Even if you didn't make money, you can kind of see the market with a little bit better clarity now. Oh, snaps. Well, I said I caught 200 pips on GU. You're a beast. Okay. So, that's really it, guys. Right? There isn't much to give you here. Asian session has been relatively slow for the most part. Not gonna lie. Asian session has been slow. Slow. Like, even if we sold on AJ, we'd be up like 10 pips. And I'm like, with spread, there's probably only like 6 pip profit. I mean, hey, that's why I really don't trade agent like that anymore, but I'm just saying, it's sometimes it's okay. Sometimes it's okay. But I think London will be good today, guys. So if you want to trade London, I think London, because it's the last London of the week. Usually the last London of the week is pretty good. All right, so if you are up and want to trade London, I think, London might be good for you if you want to. I will be asleep, however. Okay? Now, let me talk to you guys real quick. No problem, Isaac. Eric said, would you say we'll continue to drop? My brother, GU? With GU? Let's look at it really quickly. Let me delete some stuff and analyze this, actually. Let me see. Alright, let me delete all this so we can see the charts clearly. Delete all this because I don't need that anymore. And, let's see. With GU on the 4 hour, let's look at it on the 4 hour. What's today? Thursday? Not sure, man. Not sure. You want to know a typical GU move? A typical GU move will be this. That this was the this was the 2 to 3 wave. It will pull back up to the 4 here and then drop continuation here. That is what I see with GU. I see GU doing a huge pullback, okay, which would be a good even 60, 70, 80 pips and then dropping. Let me see. Let me look at. Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, we have a level right here. Okay, that's a more accurate level. Yeah, this is more so what I think. I do think it is going to continue to drop, but it's going to pull back pretty hard first. So I do agree that the overall consensus and bias for GU is that it's going to go down, but you should anticipate a pretty steep pullback first, for sure. What's up, Shay? What's up, Shay? Shay's in the building. Oh, snaps. Oh, snaps. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, snaps. Oh, snaps. Let's go. Let's go. That's my homie, y'all. She's a beast trader too. Like to show my love. Yeah, sis, I need look. Okay. All right, guys, hold on. Stop the press. Hold on. I just need y'all to hold on for a quick second. I need y'all to listen to me. Put your AirPods in. All right. Mute the world and listen to me right now. Okay. Because my homie Shay is a great trader. If you guys know, she was part of our trade team in a previous company. And she told me that, or I saw a post where she was trading NAS. And she's like, oh, I kind of got chopped up in NAS a little bit. I lost today, but cool. That happens. We all lose, right? And I was like, Shay, come to the dark side where we slaughter NAS every day. Now, don't take my word for it. I just need people in the chat. What do we do with NAS every day? For the past month and a half, 2 months, what have we been doing with NAS every morning, guys? I just need you guys to know. Just tell Shay what we've been doing with NAS. Don't take my word for it. Let me sip some tea real quick. Okay? I need you guys to just drop it in the comments. Have we been slaughtering NAS like clockwork every morning, yes or no, in the chat? Okay? Lavita said, complete slaughter. Ernest said, smash TPs. Okay? Love said, murder was the name that we gave it. Yo! Hold on. That was a bar. Okay, hold on. Okay. She's going crazy. Melvin says Schmurder. You feel me? Hey. Schmurder about to do the dance now. Hey.
He said Schmurder. Tanya said we beat her down. We beat her down every day, and she loves it. She serves us breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay? All in the morning time. What a woman. You feel me? What a woman. 3-course meals every morning. That is a type of woman that I love. And Naz does it for us. Okay? She not only feeds me, she feeds the whole family every day. She's like grandma. Okay? She's like Medea. Alright? Big mama. Cooking up for everybody. Yeah, knows us. You know, we in the club, baby. You know. Okay? But I want you guys to know that we still have yet to lose a live session yet. And that's on my mammy. We're now, I don't know how long the streak is gonna be. Okay? I don't know. I can't foresee. I can't tell you. But I can tell you that we've been slaughtering the markets every day, nonstop, every week, okay, since the inception of TTA Elite, and it has not stopped or slowed down. Okay? We have not lost a session yet. So, I'm not saying that's how it's gonna be, but I'm saying that's how it's gonna be. Alright. Oh, what's up, Coach Max? Oh, why are you being a stalker over here? What you doing, Coach Max? What you doing? What you doing? Huh? You thought you was slick? She thought she was slick. She thought you was slick, y'all. She thought she was slick. You're not slick. That's 100%.
Garbage.
Get out my chat.
Garbage.
No one likes you.
Garbage.
You're not welcome here.
Garbage.
You're not even a TTA representative.
Garbage.
What are you doing?
Garbage.
Go back home.
Garbage.
Lyric needs you.
Garbage.
Go in your bed.
Garbage.
It's time for a nap.
Garbage.
Don't you have study hall to do or something?
Garbage.
Bye-bye. Okay? Alright. I'm just saying. She thought she was sneaky, y'all. Get out of here. Put her on blast. Muha. She said I was just trying to relax. Listen, look. There is no relax when Ryan's on the chat. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oh, snaps. Okay, all right. Listen, Coach Max. I'm joking. We love you. We love you, Coach Max. Don't we all love Coach Max? Oh, come on. We love Coach Max. Come on. We don't need violence this morning, okay? See? You know what? Coach Max gonna come on and she gonna be like, she gonna power up like crazy. She gonna try to hit a spirit bomb on your boy. I'm good on that. I'm good on that. Please. Oh, okay. All right. You can relax. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
I just want to know what's your problem?
What? Look.
You know? You made me run to the wedding cake all come check you like what?
You really came downstairs.
Almost tripping my bro and everything. Cause he tried.
Yo, I know you really ran downstairs like, yo, he's not trying me today. Why, yo, it was just a joke. I'm sorry.
No,
you couldn't just relax and chill?
No, you said nobody listening to you.
Huh?
You like, don't I got something better? No, I don't. What's up?
you got time today?
I got time.
Isn't it past lyric bedtime?
Lyric is with her dad.
Oh, snaps.
Yeah.
That's not good. Okay. Exact. Ernest, thank you, bro. I'm under the weather. I can't get my words out. I'm under the weather. You feel me? I just excuse me.
Ernest, don't make me friends. You don't get a pass. No.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I can't deal with you. Okay, all right, listen. Well, I'm done, guys. I'm done marking up everything. No. I mean, we can wrap this up, y'all. You know what I'm saying? TTA Elite in the description below. Make sure you join because next month the price will be going up. So you have another month to get in at $199 a month. All right, and whoever's in, they'll lock in your price, of course. And I mean, why don't you talk about the session you killed yesterday all by yourself, Max? Like, talk about that, sis. What's up?
I want to talk about something in my head. That's what I want to.
What? I mean, listen, yo. Anyway, Max killed a session yesterday, y'all. All right, she was 3 for 3 on her trades. Killed it again. TTA, we're killing sessions, undefeated in live sessions right now. Okay, we're like the Lakers in real life. Okay, we're assembling the all-star traders. Okay, listen. Some of y'all don't even know our special guest traders who are with us and they're partnered with us. And so we're assembling the best traders to come to TTA. All right, because we want to give y'all the best sauce. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. Literally, I just want like 5, 6 of the best traders rocking TTA, and we kill it every single week, every single month for you guys. That's what I want. Let me see, Ernest. Ernest passes his FTMO. Let me see.
Very proud.
Everyone congrat Ernest in the chat, guys. Ernest passes FTMO. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! One time for Ernest. One time for my... You feel me? Let's go. Proud of you, bro.
That's awesome.
Proud of you. You know, that's what I want for all of you guys. I definitely think that one of the cheat codes is prop firms. All right, when you're underfunded. But even there still is a right way to do it. You know, and me just being transparent, I messed up a lot of my prop firm accounts when I first started initially, and it took me a while to even get the hang of it. You know, and I would say the biggest thing that I really learned was, you know, because there was a whole bunch of times when I've passed the first phases, like phase 1, phase 2, and then I get to the live one and then just mess up because I'm just anxious to make money now because I'm on the live. I passed the first time, I passed the second time. Then when you get to the third time, you know, maybe your discipline goes out the window, or you just get really anxious. I'm just being real with you guys. Maybe somebody hearing me, knock knock. Okay, maybe somebody understands what I'm talking about. Maybe you don't. Okay, but when it comes to the prop firms, you have to have absolute structure and organization in your trading. Like, there's no way around it. There's no way around it. There is no, like, I'm talking about your risk management. I'm talking about your the way you trail. I'm talking about your risk percentage per account, per trade. The sessions that you're trading, the pairs that you're trading, everything has to be calculated. You cannot wing it on these prop firm accounts. So that's why 99% of people still fail on the prop firms. Right? It's why. Okay, guys. So again, that is something that I'm going to be going over with you guys exclusively as well in TTA Elite. All right, with prop firms, with prop firm trading. Okay, you can even as easily as just get a prop firm account and trade with us every day, right? And do like a 0.5% per trade, 1% per trade, and you should be very good. You should do well, seriously, if you have the time. Okay, Kamar, I got you, bro. All right, exactly, Kenny, my guy, Kenny. What's up, bro? What's up?
Oh, man.
Oh, man. My God. What's this? He's in the chat. So, no, equity, guys. Yeah. Once you get proficient, an easy level up is getting the equity from the prop firm. The 100K, 50K, 200K. But I can't even lie to you guys and say, oh, I made, you know, all of every time I did prop firms, I did well. That's not the case. I had to take a step back and kind of reevaluate what I was doing wrong, because it wasn't my trades that were doing wrong. It was usually because I get too antsy once I hit live on the accounts. I just want to pass it too quickly, and then I mess up. And, what I realized is that if I really just sit on my stupid butt and take my time, that I would do extremely well. So that is what I'm doing now, and I'm doing a whole lot better, right? Because I'm taking my time with it. I'm taking my time, right? I'm really only doing no more than 1% risk per trade. I'm like the turtle at this point, Like, slow and steady wins the race. That's it. Slow and steady wins the race. What's funny is that that's such a childish story, but it holds true with almost everything in life, like the tortoise versus the hare, guys. Like, when you go slow and steady, that consistency, you will ultimately win the game. You will always win the game when you go slow and steady. Every freaking time. And once you kind of install that hard drive into your brain, everything that you touch, you will win. If you can just understand that, slow and steady, not trading, not working out, not making money, right? Not when it comes to diet, not when it comes to learning a new skill, everything in your life. If you attain that mindset, slow and steady, you will win the game. But most people just cannot have that mindset. Most people are so emotional. And again, we're all human beings. We are emotional by design, I feel like. But then you have to kind of take a step outside the box and put your feelings aside and start to really think things through logically and make decisions based off of calculated risk and logic instead of emotion. Because really, when you over leverage or do things that you're not supposed to do in your trading plan, that's emotional. Okay? That's emotional. I want you to think about it. Every time you blown an account, was it because you were emotional? Yes or no in the chat. I want you to think about it. I can really break this down to you guys. Right? If you've ever blown an account, was it because your trade plan sucked? Or was it because you got emotional during the time? What was it? Right? Emotional. Think about it. Don't just think about, I blew an account. Think about why I blew the account. That's what I want you to think about. Think about why you blew the account. Damn, what happened here? Don't just analyze, okay, I over leveraged. Okay, I traded a pair I didn't want to trade. Okay, think what happened psychologically. What happened in your brain? Okay? What happened is you said to yourself, I need money now. Okay? I want you guys to listen to me. All right? Because this is the last good 10 minutes I'm going to give you before I got to go. You said, I need money now. Right? And what ended up happening? Now you don't have any money at all. That's the crazy part. Right? You wanted money now. You wanted more money now. And because you wanted more money, you don't have any money. Okay? And you have to really unlearn to relearn. Because most of us have just been taught the wrong things in trading, the wrong things in life. And you have to slowly retrain yourself. So, if we know that most reasons why you're blowing your accounts or your accounts are down, right, or taking really big hits to your account, it's not because you're a bad trader. Trust and believe. I believe all of you guys can make a shit ton of money. I don't think you guys are dumb in any capacity. Heck, I'm not the smartest light bulb in the box, and I'm pretty damn good at trading. Okay? And a lot of you guys are smarter than me. Okay? Maybe not as sexy, but you're smarter. Okay? So, I mean, I'm sexy, come on. But, you know what I'm saying? Okay, but anyway, my point is, come on, I'm rolling here. So, if the way you lose really is because you're emotional, then that is what you have to master. Okay? That's what I want you to understand. It's the emotional side. That is what is enslaving you. If you are a slave to your emotions, you will never level up. You will never level up. I need everyone to understand that. And that's with anything in life. If you are a slave to your emotions, you will not be successful. And that is especially imperative when it comes to trading. If it's the one thing I've learned in this trading journey, it is that my emotions will cost me time, energy, and money if I cannot tame them. It's probably one of the hardest lessons I've had to learn. I've always been a great trader. I've always been able to analyze the charts. I've always been able to get good entries and good TPs and all that. I've done that. A lot of guys have been with me for so long to understand that this is not new for Ryan. It is not new for Ryan or for Max and Ryan, I should say, to be killing our live sessions and our signals like this. We're damn near 98% accurate, okay, with most of our stuff. Disclaimer, past results are not indicative of future results, sir. Please, okay? All right, anyway, back to the point. The reason why we're so good is because of all the past failures and mess-ups that we've had, right? So we've learned from them, grew from them, and then put ourselves in the position to actually formulate a game plan around that. But the center, the nucleus of trading is mastering your emotions, because your emotions will keep you a slave. All right? A slave. And if you are not ready to do that, you are not ready to be a trader. Okay? Now, how do you combat that? Okay? I'm not going to just tell you what's wrong with you. I'm going to give you the medication. All right? The medication that Dr. Ryan is prescribing is for you to, 1, create a trade plan. Number 2, write down your risk management. Number 3, write down how you are going to manage the trades once in profit. What I mean is your take partial strategy, maybe your trailing strategy, your break even strategy. These are all importante, muy importante, very important to your trading. Not just the trade itself, but the actual trade management of that trade. That's another big key. Okay? And once you have those things, everything else starts to fall into play. Okay? So once you know your risk management, your trade plan, how you're going to manage your trade actually in the trade, right? You know your TPs and everything like that, and you stick to your risk, you are instilling and installing a new program in your brain, a new way to trade, right? So I want you guys to really just think about it. The reason why you've been unsuccessful is because of what? Not because you're over leveraging. It is because you are emotional. Put emotional in the chat. You have been emotional, sir and young lady. Too emotional, because you're used to being emotional. You're used to reacting. You're used to doing what you feel like doing. You're used to, I feel like putting 2 lots on NAS. Let me put 2 lots. No, wrong answer. Don't do that. That's not what I said to do. Stop doing what you feel like and follow the freaking plan. Do you understand? Because if the plan says that you put a 0.01, why the hell in God's green earth are you going to, blue earth. Is the earth blue or green?
It's how you that.
No, is it hold on.
Really time.
It's blue, right? The sky is blue, but then the grass is green. But it's really blue and green. So can I call it blue or can I call it green? It should work, right? I wasn't technically wrong. Anyway, listen, guys. The point is that you legit have to try to master your emotions. Okay? You cannot sit here and think that you're going to become successful and you're just throwing around lot size or throwing around risk management when you whatever you feel like doing that day. Okay, with AU I feel like putting a lot size. Okay, with AU I feel like TP at 20 pips, but tomorrow I feel like making the 50 pips. Then the next day I guess I'll take partials at 30. Like, you can't be like that. You will never gain traction, never gain momentum, never gain consistency. Okay, so screw everything else. Screw all the great trading and the analysis and the TPs and entries and you're winning all the trades. None of that matters if you can't even get that in check. Does that make sense, y'all? Do y'all hear me? Do y'all feel me? Do y'all like Ryan's rambles? Ramby? You know? It's Bleen. Ernest says Bleen. Okay. Right? So that's really it, guys. That's my ramble for tonight. It's been an hour. Appreciate you guys. I will say this though, okay? No cap. All right, no cap. We've been slaughtering our sessions. All right.
Stop the cap.
Not gonna lie. And just like Shakira said, 199 is an absolute steal. And you know what? I might even do another New York session tomorrow. I might. I just might. If I'm up trading New York session, and that'll be a bonus class. For our TTA Elite members. I'm just letting y'all know I might do a bonus class tomorrow. If I'm up trading, I will drop the link. Okay, even though it's not on the schedule. All right, just because we want to end the week strong. All right, like that's just what we're gonna do. So I'm letting you guys know that you should be here. There's no reason why you should not be rocking with us. All right, it's only $199. Get in, okay? Put your pride to the side. Come rock with us. Come learn with us. Come make money with us, and let's do this together. There's no reason why you can't. There's no reason. Okay. And yeah, I will see you guys. When's our? I'm gonna do Sunday class. So I'm gonna do a Sunday YouTube. My next class will be a Sunday YouTube. All right, I'm gonna do a Sunday YouTube. I have to do it after I think our overview for TTA Elite. So I got to make the time for after that, and then I'll do YouTube afterwards. Right. So on Sundays we go over market overview with TTA Elite, answer questions live, do a whole bunch of stuff with those guys, and then I'll hop on here with you guys for free, and we'll mark up charts, and I'll show you guys what I'm looking at for the week. Okay. And that's really it. And we're done. There's anything you want to say, Max? Coach Max, No.
No.
All right. All right. See you guys. We out. See you guys. Love you all. See you on the inside. TTA Elite. Description in the below. Holla at you guys later. Peace.